Okay, let's look at this. So I want you, if you have this paper, pull it out. It helps a lot. Okay, I promise. Here we want to write the transform function, describe the transformations, and then create a table of values and sketch it. So we have here that f of x equals x squared. This is just going to replace that right there. But remember, whatever's on the inside of these parentheses takes the place of that x. Okay, whatever's inside takes the place of that x. So g of x here, g of x is going to become, that negative stays on the outside. X minus 4 is replacing the x, and then this squared. Okay, this negative sign reflects the x-axis. Minus 4, that's inside, moves left or right, opposite of what you think, so that moves right. 4. Okay, now whenever you move left or right, that's going to affect our table over here. Whatever this value is, I want that to be this value right there, the middle one. So then this is 3, 2, this would be 5, 6. Okay, and I want to draw, I don't want to call it a new axis because it's not new. It's not in the same way that we were doing sine and cosine. But right 4, I just want to go 1, 2, 3, 4 and draw a line right there. Okay, then we can look at our calculator. Negative x minus 4 squared. There's that graph. We're going to go to the graph. And notice here, if I did negative 2 like I normally do, negative 2 is negative 36. That's so far off our graph, we can't graph that. Same with negative 1, same with 0. 1, we're getting closer. 2, we're finally back onto the graph. 4 is at 0, so that's why we're starting this right there. Okay, so 2, that's negative 4. 3 is negative 1, 0, negative 1, negative 4. So 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're not working off this. We're still working off our normal axis. 3, negative 1, 4, 0, 5, negative 1, 6, negative 4. Okay. Let's do this one. So this replaces that right there. So this is going to be h of x equals 3x squared plus 2. That 3 is a vertical stretch by 3. 2 is up 2. So I moved up. I'm just going to go up 2 right there and draw that line. For my table, since I didn't move left or right, I'm still just using negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, and 2. We're going to come here, 3x squared plus 2. Go to the table. So negative 2 is 14. Negative 1 is 5. 0 is 2. 5, 14. Negative 2, 14, that's off our graph. Negative 1, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 2, 1, 5. Cool. Okay, this last one, so j of x equals that 1/2 stays. X plus 3 is replacing the x, then minus 2. So that's going to be a vertical stretch by 1/2, left 3, and down 2. So we're just going left 3, 1, 2, 3, down 2. Since I went left 3, that's going to be what that middle number is. Negative 3. Then this will be negative 4, negative 5, negative 2, negative 1. Okay, so then we have 1/2 x plus 3 squared minus 2. Go to the table, and we're starting at -3, so I gotta go back to -5. So that's gonna be 0, -1.5, -2, -1.5, 0. So -5, 0, -4, -1.5, 2, right there. That goes up, and that goes up. Cool? Okay, let's look at the back side of this. Or if you have it on separate paper, do so. And again, I want you, if you have this, keep it somewhere where you can look at it, okay? So vertical stretch by 4. That is your A value. So this is an A value. An A value. Reflected across the x-axis, this is the negative on the outside. Up 3, this is going to be +3 on the outside because that is your K value. So this is going to be f of x equals -4x cubed plus 3. Okay, this is all just putting it together. Vertical compressed by 1/3, so again, this is your A value. Reflected across the y-axis, that's a negative on the inside. Left 4, that's going to be opposite of what you think, so that's going to be +4 on the inside. Down 2, that's going to be -2 on the outside. Because this is your H value, this is your K. So that's going to be f of x equals 1/3 square root of -x +4 minus 2. Okay, this last one, horizontal stretch, that's your B value. Right 4, opposite of what you think, that's going to be -4 on the inside, because that's your H. Up 7, that's going to be +7 on the outside, because that is your K. So this is going to be f of x equals the absolute value of 3x minus 4 plus 7. Cool. Hope you guys are having a good weekend. Love you. Bye.